Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Chauhan. Today I will tell you if you want to think in English, okay? If you want to think in English, then how can you think in English? Do you have this question? Don't worry, today I will tell you then how can you think in English, okay? So my friends, first यदि आप इंग्लिश में सोचना चाहते हो तो आप कैसे सोच सकते हो? If you want to think in English, then how can you think in English? So my friends, यदि आपने अभी देखा कि मैं कैसे बिना सोचे बिना इंग्लिश हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट किए डायरेक्ट बोल रहा हूँ लाइक दिस. इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक देन हाउ कैन यू स्पीक? डू यू हैव दिस क्वेश्चन? डू यू वांट टू नो? Then how can you think? So my friends, I want to suggest to you, if you want to think in English, यदि आप इंग्लिश में सोचना चाहते हो इंग्लिश में, तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको अभ्यास करना है. ओके, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक गाड़ी लेते हैं. यदि आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो और वहां पे आपको चढ़ाव है, तो ऑटोमेटिक आपकी जो पैर हैं वो गियर के ऊपर चल जाएंगे. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. आपकी जो बॉडी है ऑटोमेटिक आपका जो माइंड है आपके पैर को कमांड देगा. उसी प्रकार माय फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश, then what you have to do, you have to practice. When you will practice as much as possible, then it is surely definitely you can think in English. After that you will not have take many effort when you will practice. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा अभ्यास करना है. आपको सारी चिंताओं को छोड़ देना है. आपको अभ्यास करते जाना है. प्रतिफल आपको मिलेगा. ओके, आप ये मत सोचिए कि मैं बिगिनर हूं और मैं कैसे इंग्लिश में सोच सकता हूं. प्रैक्टिस के द्वारा सब कुछ संभव है. ओके, यदि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक आपकी जो टंग है ऑटोमेटिक उस वर्ड्स के ऊपर सेट हो जाएगी. आपका माइंड ऑटोमेटिक उस वर्ड्स को अचीव कर लेगा. Okay, so I want to suggest you, if you want to speak English, then what you have to do, you have to think. If you want to think in English, then my friends, what you have to do, you have to practice. You have to practice as much as possible. Then definitely after some time your mind will start thinking in English. Yes, and after that you will not have to take many efforts. So I want to suggest to you, if you want to think in English, यदि आप इंग्लिश में सोचना चाहते हो तो सबसे पहले आपको अभ्यास करना है. जितना अधिक आप अभ्यास करोगे, चाहे आपके पास 1 घंटा तो 1 घंटा अभ्यास कीजिए. वो 1 hour, if you have 1 hour then you can practice 1 hour. Okay, so my friends, जितना अधिक आप अभ्यास करेंगे उतना अधिक आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव होगी. आपके पास क्वेश्चन होगा कि हमें कितना समय देना चाहिए. तो माय फ्रेंड्स, जितना अधिक आप समय दोगे उतनी जल्दी आप इंग्लिश को सीखोगे. तो जितना हो सके उतना आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम देना है ताकि आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सको. यू हैव टू गिव एज मच एज पॉसिबल टाइम. You have to give more time. If you want to learn early, if you want to fast learn English, then what you have to do, you have to give more time, then you can learn very soon. Yes, but now you will give some time, less time, then you will have to give more time. You will have to take more time. Yes my friend, you have to take more time. So I want to suggest you that it is depend on you what you have to do. If you want to learn fast, then you have to give more time, and if you want to do slowly, then it is your choice. You can give 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour. It is your choice. Yes, but if you want to learn English, so my friends, it is depend upon you that what you have to do. If you want to learn fast, then you have to give more time. And don't worry, यदि आपको नहीं सोचना है कि मुझे अभ्यास करने के लिए समय नहीं है, आप मार्केट में जा रहे हो, स्टार्ट थिंक इन इंग्लिश. आप कुछ खरीद रहे हो, थिंक हाउ कैन वी मेक दिस सेंटेंसेस. यदि आप मार्केट में जा रहे हो तो आपको सोचना है कि इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. यदि आप घर पे हो, किसी इमेज को देख रहे हो, उसको कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, आपको अपने ओन वर्ड्स में आपको उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. ओके, यही तो है. इंग्लिश क्या है? एक लैंग्वेज है और इसके लिए कोई टाइम अलग से निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो आप बोल रहे हो, जो आप कर रहे हैं, उसी में आप इसकी अभ्यास कर सकते हो. Okay, so my friends, if you want to learn English, then don't worry that I don't have time for practice, but I want to suggest to you, you have more time, but you don't know. Yes, whatever you are doing, you can explain, you can describe in your words. Suppose you are drinking water, then you can say I'm drinking water. You are sitting, you are talking to others, then you can say I'm talking to others. So my friends, you can speak like this. You don't have check time extra, but you have already time, but you don't know. यस माय फ्रेंड, आपको अदर्स अलग से टाइम निकालने की जरूरत नहीं। अभ्यास के लिए आपके पास स्वयं टाइम है, आपके पास ऑलरेडी टाइम है। जैसे आप कहीं पे किसी के साथ बोल रहे हो, तो सबसे पहले आपको इंग्लिश में सोचना है, फिर बोलना है किसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट वी हाउ टू स्पीक अबाउट इट। ओके, सो यू हैव टू think, you have to do like this, then definitely you can improve your English language, and after some time you will feel very better, very good. No people can stop you. No, you are feeling hesitation, you are thinking that how can I improve my English language, when I start speaking English then fumble and fear take over me, how can I solve this problem? Do you have this question? Don't worry my friends, don't worry. You have to skip everything, you have to drop everything. But if you want to learn English, then first you have to think that for speaking English, what we have to do, we have to practice. And suppose where are you, it is doesn't matter. You can, suppose you are market, then you can think, you can speak, you can describe the things of market. Yes, suppose you have to go to grocery shop, then you can think that I want to buy washing powder, soap, and trash bucket, and we have to buy the cumin, yes, coriander and green chili. Like this you can speak. Yes, I have to buy coriander powder. So my friends, you don't have to need take to extra time. Yes, but you have already time, you can practice whatever you are doing, you can think in English, and after that you can speak English. But you are thinking that I don't have time, how can I improve my English language? You should stop making excuses, but you have to think that what you have to do, you have to do like this, and definitely you can improve your English language. No people can stop you. Okay, so I hope you got many things from this video, and we will meet next session, and after that we will describe on other topic, and after that definitely you can improve your English language. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Kai,